So we come to the adhesive assembly. The included accessories, adhesive strips, the feet and small screws are included. You should do the following. Carefully take the 4 adhesive strips that are included, gently peel one off and stick it securely onto the back of the mounting foot. Press down nicely, then we continue. As you can see here, you need a mounting foot. It is also included. The screw. Then take the middle one from the 3 compartments, the washer and the nut. Press it in nicely and gently, then put the metal washer into its designated position, ensuring it fits properly and securely. Tighten the screw with the mounting foot, the white one, very carefully and securely. You have practically and completely completed the adhesive assembly thoroughly. While doing this, you then, before it is attached, remove the protective film. Please make sure to clean the glass strip thoroughly and make it grease-free, and then this adhesive assembly will even hold on windows with a width of 100 to 120 centimeters and a length of up to 2 meters, 2 meters 50. As mentioned, clean it well, take the adhesive assembly and press it firmly onto the glass strip, and then you can see it here as well. The adhesive assembly is complete. We have of course prefabricated and demonstrated this with our windows. Und einklicken. Done. The adhesive assembly is complete.